it
You know,
also
the
gets
fight right now looks, it's like a tussle between Vivian and Karan,
yeah.
and also Avinash in a lot of ways, because I feel all three of them
Yeah.
have contributed like that. But who, if you had to rank them as human beings, having stayed with them, not as an audience, because we still watch a 1 hour edited show. You've stayed with them 24 hours,
Yeah.
right? So I want to know who do you think is the best human being? And then maybe the second one. And
I think as a human being, I would say Vivian, though I've spent least time with him, but I've seen him from far, so I know him. He is, for example, जब nominations में Avinash nominated him, and he really gives his fullest to Avinash and Isha. And Isha also, in fact, ran with his photo but froze at a point, which I feel was done planned. Yeah, he still, and his wife came, spoke, everyone spoke, and then at least that should influence you in a way, no? But he still stuck to his guns. He confided in them, but still he thought he should stay,
as a friend.
So I really liked all that in him, and I feel that he's always been a gentleman, be it with Chahat or be it with me or anyone, any fight, you'll see that no gali wali. He's not gone below the belt. He's not done any personal attack. So and he's very soft.
Yeah.
Even if you say too much of max that he can say, oh. That's all. He won't go beyond that. So I like him for the person he is, and I love it. I so love it that he respects his wife so much.
Yeah.
Because Arjun is exactly like that. So Arjun was telling me when he was speaking to his wife in the confession room, his head was just like that. He didn't talk back a word. He didn't justify himself. And whatever she said, he took it like, this girl can only think the best for me, so I will take everything that she's saying.
Yeah.
You know? So that kind, I've seen that with Arjun. And I am also like that with Arjun.